Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should start by ensuring RTSS is installed and running with admin privileges. This prevents permission issues. Once done, open the RTSS main window and confirm on-screen display support is enabled. Next, decide whether you want a global FPS overlay or per-game profiles. If you prefer per-game control, launch the game first so RTSS creates an application profile automatically. Make sure to keep MSI Afterburner closed only if you're not using its OSD text features. Otherwise, run both together. Now you configure the overlay itself. In RTSS, go to the on-screen display settings and pick a readable font size, color, and screen position so it won't block HUD elements. Then assign or confirm a toggle hotkey for the OSD. This lets you show or hide FPS quickly while testing. If you want per-game behavior, open the app profile and customize its settings like frame limit or display delta. Make sure the overlay refresh rate matches your monitor to avoid jitter. Finish by launching the target game and verifying the FPS number appears where you placed it. Press the OSD toggle if you can't see anything. If it's missing, first ensure the game isn't blocking overlays and that anti-cheat or full-screen exclusive mode isn't interfering. As a troubleshooting tip, restart RTSS and run it as administrator, and temporarily disable other overlay tools like Steam, Discord, or the Xbox game bar. Once visible, tweak font and position until it's unobtrusive but readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.